class 12C. We are doing question number 15 on Nitin, Tarun and Amar sharing profits in the old ratio, which is 1:1:1. Investment fluctuation reserve is 60,000 rupees and investments were rupees 4 lakh. Now they were rupees 4 lakh and as per the new case, they continue to be at 4 lakh. There was no loss. So this reserve continues to be at rupees 60,000 and will again be distributed like the same. Investment fluctuation reserve account will be debited to Nitin's capital account, Tarun's capital account and Amar's capital account. Now since all this is to be done in the old profit sharing ratio only, they will continue to divide this in the old ratio. They will continue to divide this in the old ratio. I repeat, investment fluctuation reserve will be debited with rupees 60,000, which was the amount of reserve shown in the balance sheet, and what will be credited? The partners will share it in the old profit sharing ratio, which is not 2:2:1, sorry, which is 1:1:1. They were sharing it equally. The amount of reserve adjusted in old ratio. Being the amount of reserve adjusted in the old ratio. I am sure there is no confusion regarding the old ratio and the new ratio now. Old ratio was 1:1:1, and that is why when the market value is not given, then too it will be divided as this in the old ratio. When the market value is equal to book value means the reserve was not utilized. Then again, the investment fluctuation reserve account will be debited with rupees 60,000 as a whole, and it will be credited with rupees 20,000 each, because each of the partners were sharing profits and losses in equal proportion as their old ratio. Copy down both these entries, then we will switch to the third case. The third case says the market value is rupees 4,24,000. The market value is rupees 4,24,000. Is the board visible on this side? Have you all copied that previous question, I hope?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think it is clear now. Case 3. Now, case 3 says that the market value is now greater. Market value is greater than the book value. What is the market value? 4,24,000 and the book value was 4 lakh. The book value was 4 lakh. Now this 24,000 is the excess amount. Apart from distributing the investment fluctuation reserve, you will also have to adjust this 24,000 rupees. Now how we are going to do this? We are going to transfer the profit on revaluation to revaluation account. Whatever increase or decrease is made in the value of asset is to be paid through the revaluation account. So the journal entry becomes revaluation account debit to Nitin capital account, to Tarun's capital account, and to Amar's capital account. The profit of revaluation comes out to be the excess, that is 24,000 rupees, and this 24,000 will be divided amongst Nitin, Tarun and Amar again in their old ratio, that is 8,000, 8,000 and 8,000. I repeat, the book value was lesser and the market value raised. मार्केट वैल्यू रेज टू 4,24,000 रुपीज़। अब रिजर्व तो हमने यूज़ नहीं किया, उसके अलावा हमारे पास प्रॉफिट ऑन रिवैल्यूएशन भी आया, दैट वाज रुपीज़ 24,000। दिस 24,000 will be divided into the existing partners in their old ratio. Profit on revaluation. Profit on revaluation transferred to the partners in old profit sharing ratio. Now the next case is case 4, when the market value is 3,70,000. Case 4, market value is rupees 3,70,000. So this time market value has reduced and book value is more. Now since this is the case, there will be a loss on revaluation. See, this is the book value minus 3,70,000. How much is the difference? 30,000. Now since there is a loss on fluctuation, so this 30,000 has to be adjusted through the investment fluctuation reserve amount. Investment fluctuation reserve we have created for this purpose only कि अगर कभी book value से market value reduce हो जाएगी, यानी कि loss on investment होगा, so ये जो 30,000 रुपीज़ है जितना भी amount होगा, this has to be adjusted. This has to be adjusted through the investment fluctuation reserve account. Now for this, what you are going to do is, investment fluctuation reserve amount will be debited. Investment fluctuation reserve amount will be debited to, like you have made a workman compensation claim, so we have given that amount to workman compensation claim. In the similar way, what you are going to do is, you are going to write investment fluctuation reserve account debit to investment account. Our fluctuation reserve amount is 60,000. And for this, what you are doing, you are transferring this 30,000 rupees back to the investment, so that this 3,70,000 reaches back to 4 lakh. So what you are doing? You are transferring the difference to investment account, and what is the remaining amount left? 60,000 was the total reserve, 30,000 on the remaining amount is 30,000, and this will be given to all the partners with their old profit sharing ratio. So what you are going to do is, Nitin's capital account, Tarun's capital account, and Amar's capital account, and this 30,000 will go equally to these three. Got it, children? The market value was lesser while the book value was more. Now is the case when the reserve is actually to be utilized. In this case, what we have done, we have found out the difference, the negative difference, and then what we are doing, we are adjusting it through investment fluctuation reserve account. Investment fluctuation reserve account will be debited with 60,000, while partners will be credited only with the remaining amount, and the balance between the two, the difference which has arisen because the market value was reduced, this amount will go to investment account. What will you write as narration? Investment shortfall compensated, investment shortfall compensated, investment shortfall compensated, and remaining balance transferred to partners capital account. This is Nitin's capital account, this is Tarun's capital account, and this is Amar's capital account. So it was adjusted and the remaining balance was transferred. At the difference been of full rupees 60,000, then we would have done investment fluctuation reserve account debit to investment account, both sides 60,000, 60,000. Then we would not have given anything to the partners because the full claim was made. Now the last case, when the market value is rupees 3,10,000. Now it is the condition when full reserve will be utilized, still the difference will not be met. In that case, what we are going to do? We are going to create a loss on revaluation account. Are these two entries copied? Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Yes,
sure,
ma'am.
all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Now write down the fifth case. Case 5. What are you going to do in case 5? When the market value is rupees 3,10,000. Okay. So what is the amount which has been reduced? 4 lakh, which was the amount of your investment minus its market value. Book value minus market value. This is how much? 90,000. Now out of the first understand this, then we will switch to the journal entry. Now out of this 90,000, how much is covered by the reserve? How much is covered by the reserve?
Ma'am, 60,000.
60,000. To the extent of rupees 60,000, we can get this loss easily. ठीक है, हमारे पास रिजर्व है, उसमें के 60,000 तो यहीं पे से adjust करना. What is this remaining balance? The partners have to raise it through revaluation, through appearing a loss in the revaluation account. Now let us write the journal entry for this. First, solve this. Book value minus market value. This is the total decrease. Total or actual decrease. Decrease in the value of investment. And what is this 60,000? This is the reserve that we already had. This 30,000. This, how will this be dealt? This will be dealt through the revaluation account. Now what shall be the journal entry? Let's find out. What you are going to do is, the case 5 says market value is rupees 3,10,000. In this case, investment fluctuation reserve account debit revaluation account debit to what? To invest. To invest. The decrease in the value of investment was rupees 90,000. The investment fluctuation reserve was how much? It was rupees 60,000. And how much will go to revaluation? It is the difference, which is rupees 30,000. And we write loss on reduction in value of investment So the loss and the reduction is met through the revaluation account. Were you able to understand case 5?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If in case you have, it is really very good. Has everyone copied?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now one more thing that you have to do is, since this is a loss on revaluation, you will have to transfer this loss to partners capital account also. So the first journal entry will be adjustment and the second one will be loss on revaluation transferred to partners capital account. And how will this appear? Nitin's account debit, Tarun's account debit, Amar's account debit to revaluation account. How much is this? 10,000 to each fellow and to revaluation account 30,000. Means this loss is now transferred to partners capital account. The loss on revaluation, narration for the second journal entry would be loss on revaluation transferred to partners capital account. Loss on revaluation transferred to partners capital account. Now similar type of journal entries are done for a general reserve also. Same type of journal entries are to be done for general reserve also. Two more adjustments are there: general reserve and deferred expenditures. I think we should keep today's class till here only, because otherwise everything will mix up. I'll send you a video on this. Please solve those questions. Have you completed this much?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, of course. Please ask.
Ma'am, in case 3 we have done only one entry, but ma'am, we should do 3 entries in that also.
Okay, now in that case, what else can you do is, you can simply transfer that amount to partners capital account. The similar entry as you have done for case 5, no, this time. This entry can also be done for, it has to be done for the 4th case also. See, there was a loss on revaluation when the market value was rupees 3,70,000. The other 30,000 which was transferred to revaluation account will be again transferred to partners capital account. This entry will be repeated after the first entry we have done in the 4th case. Is your doubt clear now?
Ma'am, in case 3 also, and the entry for case 3 will be different from this one.
Just a minute then. Where case 3?